on the face.
Okay. Pace.
Taking small steps.
Just wait, Ria. Remaining any other children? Children, you are not ready. Vinmay, look at Vinmay, how she's taking rest. On your video, Vinmay, Faizan, Siddhant, Shritan, Huria, Kritik Raj, Lasya, Vinmay, come on. Turn on your camera. Good. Rep- repulsive. What is the meaning of repulsive? Repulsive. Uh-oh, Viraj. Good morning. No, ma'am. You're thinking. Okay. Samanyo. Yes, beta.
Repulsive.
Huh.
Bad.
Okay, good. And Kritik Raz, you also raised hand. What's your meaning? Can you tell me repulsive? What did you write?
Horrible or disgusting.
Yeah, disgusting. Good. So there are so many meanings. You can take any one of them. That's great. Now, what is the meaning of filthy? Filthy. Who knows this answer? Raise hand. Filthy. Okay, again Kritik Raz and
Bad.
Samanyo.
Ugly.
Yeah,
Bad
good.
man.
Bad or ugly, both are same. Good. Good. And what's the meaning of diabolical? Diabolical. Beside filthy only we have that meaning. Yeah, Kritik Raz. Good. Yes.
Like devil.
Like a devil. Good. Horrible like a devil. Yes, Fatima.
Very evil.
Yeah, very evil. Yes, Pranav.
Very dangerous.
Very good. See how many different types of meanings we got now? Good. Diabolical. And what is the meaning of nightmarish?
Nightmarish.
Nightmarish.
Nightmare.
Kritik Raz again.
Like a nightmare.
Like a nightmare. Okay, Kritik Raz.
A scary dream.
Very good.
Or a nightmare, ma'am.
Or a nightmare. That's correct, beta.
A
Scary dream is
horrible
also good.
dream. A
Yeah.
horrible dream.
Yes, horrible dream is also correct, Pranav. Good. Very
Of the nature of a nightmare.
yes.
Nightmare.
Yes. Very, very frightening, very scary. Okay. Or a
Unpleasant.
nightmare, unpleasant. Yes, unpleasant. Very good. So these are all the meanings we have for the nightmare. And what is the meaning of crouched? Crouched.
Ma'am, can you repeat again? Bending down.
Yeah. Bending down. Yes, Surya.
Bending down for hiding with someone.
Yeah. Good.
Ma'am,
What is
bending down.
yes, bending down. Very good. Bending down is the
Bending
correct one.
means to lower yourself.
Yes. Lower yourself to take something or to hide yourself. That is called a crouched. So you can use this word in your vocabulary, crouched. If someone is bending down to hide or someone is bending down to pick something from the ground, you can use this word in your vocabulary. Okay, he crouched. What is he doing? He crouched to pick a pen. He crouched to pick some leaves. He crouched to hide himself. Okay, will you use this in your vocabulary? In your daily life, you have to use such words in your vocabulary, okay? Good. Duck out. Duck out is a phrase. Yes? Yes, Surya? Pranav?
Peeling out.
Yes?
Yes, out.
Yes. Out. Eh, yes, Vinmai?
Ma'am, what ma'am?
Duck out. What's the meaning of duck out? Kritik Ras, yes, beta?
Leave suddenly.
Yeah, leave suddenly. Good. Only few children are responding. What about the other children? You are not reading the textbook. You are not finding out the meanings. Very bad children. Monday, I'm going to start the reading test of these chapters from page number 79 to page number till where I told that we have seen the video yesterday. Till page number 106. 79 to 106. You have to read the pages 106. Mark it. Write somewhere all the pages. Your reading test starts from the Monday. Page number 79 to page number 106. On the BFG at the starting of the page, you can write here so that you can remember. You can write here. You can write the page numbers for the reading test. You can write here. The first page of your BFG. 79 page to 106. Done? In the previous week, we have discussed about the verbs, transitive verb and intransitive verb. And now we have adverbs and their kinds. We are going to discuss about adverbs and their kinds. What is, before going to start the adverb, let us start with the verb. Can anyone tell me what is a verb? Any one of you? Repeated children only raising hand. Yes, Viraj?
Ma'am, verb is an action.
Action word. Can you do some actions? Can you do some action words? Can you show?
Singing, dancing.
Huh? I told you to show. I told you to show, not to speak.
I don't.
Hmm. Do. Do actions. Hmm.
One action I did, ma'am, here.
Ah, yes.
Eating.
Yes. Okay. So verbs are action words. Okay. And what are adverbs? Anyone can tell? Any one of you, what are adverbs? Vinmay raised hand. Yes, Vinmay, what are adverbs?
Adverbs are words that modify or qualify an adjective.
Verb and adjective. It qualifies an adjective and also verb and other adverbs also. Sometimes it qualifies another adverb. In a sentence, if you have two adverbs, then this adverb, no, it qualifies the other adverb also. So now we have here kinds of adverbs. Manner, place,
Ma'am, can I
time.
mute myself?
Huh?
Can I mute myself?
Yes, yes, mute. Okay. So here we have different kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of number. So these are the different types of adverbs we are going to discuss. Before going to discuss the kinds, I want to show you the video on adverbs. Are you ready to watch a video on adverbs? Adverbs and kinds of adverbs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your video is ready to play. I'm just sharing the screen. Yes.
Adverbs. Adverbs provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency, or degree of action denoted by the verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The function of an adverb is determined by the question it answers. Adverbs are placed in a particular position according to their function in a sentence. An adverb of manner tells how something is done or happens. We use it at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, he gossips incessantly. An adverb of degree tells how much or to what extent something is done or happens. It modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. We use it before the word it modifies. For example, I love my mother so much. An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happens. We use it at the end. For example, there is a fair nearby. An adverb of time tells when something is done. We use it at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, should we shut the shop now? An adverb of frequency tells how often or how many times something is done. We use it before the main verb or after the verb to be or between a helping verb and the main verb. For example, he often fights with me. Like adjectives, adverbs of manner, degree, and time have 3 degrees of comparison. Only adverbs of manner, degree, and time can be compared. Many adverbs cannot be compared at all. If the adverb is of one syllable, we form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. Adverbs ending in ly form the comparative by adding more and the superlative by adding most. We use little, less, and least to show negative degree with adverbs. Some adverbs form their comparative and superlative degrees in an irregular manner.
Yes, children. So did you get any idea about adverb and their kinds? Yes? What are adverbs? So let us discuss once again. Adverbs, there are different types of adverbs, even adverbs here. See, manner. Adverbs, adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? They donate how and in what manner an action is performed. How the action is performed. Now, I'm talking to you. How I'm talking? I'm talking louder or in a lower pitch or in which language, how I'm speaking to you. So that shows the manner. It shows the manner that how I'm talking to you, how the boy is singing, how you are writing, okay, how you are playing. It shows the manner that how action is done, in what manner it is done. How your class has been complete, has been done. It's good or okay. How did you enjoy the class? What the things you have done? So how it is done? How and what, in which manner, in what manner it is done? That shows the adverb of manner. Clear? Adverb of manner is clear? Did you understand what is adverb of manner? It shows how the action is done. How the action is done. How Indivar is sitting in the class. Sitting straight. Okay? How Viraj is reading. Reading well. How Akshit is playing. Good. So these, how the action is being done. It shows in the adverb of manner. Is it okay? Any doubt in adverb of manner? Yes? Did you understand what is the meaning of adverb of manner? Just the simple thing, how the action is done. In what manner the action is done. Action is performed. You have done well in the examination. How you have done your examinations? How your examination have been done? Well. Yes? Well, that's the manner. That's the way you have done your examination. And keep the glass jar on the table carefully. So what is an adverb here? Carefully. Yes? How we have to keep the jar on the table? In what manner we have to put it? We have to put it on the table very carefully. So adverb of manner tells us how the actions are performed. Now adverb of place. Adverb of place. What is an adverb of place? They denote where an action is performed. Place itself, it tells us, children. The place itself tells us that where. Come on, hurry up, put your books. Ma'am, where I have to put my books? So where? She's asking me the place. Yes? So that comes under adverb of manner. I shall eat now. Do not go there. I'm asking you to not to go there. Stop here. It's dangerous. Please don't go there. So that place, I'm very particular about that place, so don't go there. So keep the puppy away from the pool side. Keep the puppy away. So I'm asking you to take out the puppy from the pool side. It's dangerous there. If it fell down, yeah, it may not swim. So keep it away. That's also place. What's the place here? Pool side is the place. Away is an adverb. Adverb of place. Now let's see the time. Here we have to tell the time. When a sentence, okay, or adverb here, you see, it denotes at what time an action is performed. What is the time when action is performed? Now, tomorrow, or yesterday, okay, or some other time. I shall eat my lunch now. Yes. I shall do the work tomorrow. These tells now and tomorrow are the time mentioned here for the work which is going to be done or already done. Remember that. At what time an action is performed, that comes under adverb of time. Now adverb of frequency. They denote how often an action takes place. Frequency. What is the meaning of frequency? First tell me. Yes. Yes, Hurriya.
Frequently means regularly, continuously.
So adverb of manner. Sorry, frequency. Sorry, yes. So regularly. Here they donate how often an action is done, how repeatedly the work is done. She comes here frequently. What does the meaning? What is the meaning of the sentence? What's the meaning of the sentence? She comes here frequently. Anybody? Explain me the sentence.
She come. That means the girl comes to the person's house every time.
Almost all the time. Almost. Repeatedly. Yes? Repeatedly. I will never go there. I will never go there. It means the place was not good. I never want to go there. I just hate. So I have avoided. Yes, Indivar, Lasya, Ashish Reddy, Aishani, yes. Sadgun. Very good. I'm going to put you all in the waiting room now. Continuously chatting. Aishani, you too today. Good. Still who? Ashish Reddy. Where is he? I cannot see him. Yes, here. Even Lasya is there. Huh? Where is Lasya? Yes, go to good. Sritan Reddy. That's fine. Good. Let them enjoy there now. Total 6 students are in the waiting room now. They are putting messages. Sorry, like that. Shall we join them? Shall we give them one chance? Now we are going to discuss about adverbs of number. Here, adverbs of number means how many. It tells us the number. Twice, once, one, two, three. Okay. It tells us the number. I have called you twice this morning. You have been listened to my answer once. Adverb of number tells us the number. Once, twice, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you see here. Choose the we have not got any today I'll share you one worksheet of these adverbs. You have to complete it. You see this, choose the suitable words from the box to fill in the blanks. Page number 16. And you have to tell its type also, children. You have to tell what type of adverb is that. There is not dash tea left in the cup. What is the answer? Can you tell me? Unmute yourself.
Much.
Yes.
Much.
There is not much tea left in the cup. So what type of manner, what type of adverb is that?
Ma'am,
Yes.
frequency.
Huh? Think and tell me what type of manner is that? What, sorry, what type of adverb is that?
And adverbs of manner.
Much, much.
Number.
Yes.
Ma'am, Kritik, number.
Yes, yes, very good. Number. Yes. Next one, I have dash friends.
A few friends. A lot of.
Huh? You just see the remaining blanks also you have to fill, no? I have dash work to do.
A lot of.
Ah, okay. Next one, Jimmy has seen dash.
Many